Hello everyone, Karson here, back again on Minecraft, on the server Cubecraft, and today I'm gonna be playing Minerware. Minerware, I haven't done an episode of it for a long time, so has Bridges, but I just uploaded a video that day. It was, I'm recording this on the same day as the video of Bridges, but the video of Bridges must be posted earlier than Minerware. That's my favorite game. Alright, but Minerware, the map is Jurassic. No updates yet. No updates for Minerware yet. Oh, the update is the mini games. Some of the mini games have, some of them have changed. Some have changed, but some have stop it notifications. I don't want you right now. If it keeps dinging, then I might have to turn off the notifications. But anyway. That is false. Yeah, some games like Mushroom Parkour, they added a few more different parkour types, levels, I don't know. Yeah, but it's not only that course, they've added a few more. Okay, I'm safe. Yeah, so they have changed Minerware a bit. So yeah, just see it yourself. Alright. This guy already did it. I'm waiting for someone to. And let's just go away from other people, alright? Okay, Minerware. Why am I saying that? Dodge Anvils. This is a stressful one, alright? It's not that easy. It's not as easy as you think. Okay, come on. You can do this, Karson. No. Okay, come on. Come on. Alright, that's safe. Only I did it? Wow. Yeah, that game is stressful. If you don't believe me, try it yourself. I'm just gonna mess around like that. Oh no! Apparently I did not stand under the shelter. Okay, let's just spin around in circles and confuse them. That's where I'm going. Don't want to go too far away. They'll attack me. Okay, yes. Luckily I got that away from me in the last second. Okay, definitely got one like that. Got two. Oh no. You ain't. Oh my goodness. Not fun. Yeah, little potato is up here as well. Okay, well, be siren. Was it the one that killed me? Yeah. You killed me. You stupid. Tell me I got it. I did not hear a ding. I did not hear a ding. I mean on Minecraft. I do not hear a ding. So I'm quite nervous about getting them. No! Maybe someone got it. I don't know. But ignited 10 blocks of TNT. What? That's impossible. Alright. Yep. Someone will slip up. It's always true. Yeah, that was on purpose, by the way. I jumped off on purpose in the last second. Don't know why I would do that, but... Yes. Yeah. Suck it, man. Alright. Find the button. I might as well just hit little potato off. Go away. You go away. You go away. Yes. Oh, he got it. He still got it. Okay, King of the Hill. Right. Might as well just hit him away. Where's the little potato? I'm coming for you, mate. Bye. Yeah, he's up there. No! Did I voice crack? Maybe. Last night standing. I'm not good at, like, melee PvP. What are they doing? What am I doing, actually? Oh. No, no, no. Why am I going... Why? Why am I doing this to myself? I'm just asking for death. Okay. I can still catch up here, alright? TNT 1. Unless the time runs out, there is only one winner. So, I think I'm capable of surviving all the way. I think I'm capable of surviving 90 seconds. Little potato is already down there. Okay, well that's good for me. If I don't see little potato in the red chamber about, then I'm gonna go down. Because I need the point in order to win. I need him to die in order for me to have a chance to win. Like I just fell. Okay. This is stressful. It's not that easy, mate. Someone's still up here. Didn't realize that. Okay. Why? Not good. Not good. Not good. This fell a few floors. Okay, let's not pay attention to the little potato. Let's just assume that he's dead and continue. Because I have no clue. Okay. Okay. Let's hope I can survive this. Really need to start taking out each other. No! No! I could have won as well. Okay, try again. Okay. I got 3rd place, so I think that's good enough, alright. Getting top 3 is good enough. Jungle. Yeah, this map. Is it this map? I don't know. This glitch happened a lot frequently. Happens a lot recently. Sorry, I used the wrong adverb. Minecraft. No, it's created by Mojang. You think I'm an idiot? Someone will actually pick yes. Half picked yes. Okay. That's surprising. No, I'm gonna die. No! Can you stop sending messages? I'm recording a video. Alright, let it go along. That was an interesting acting by me. I don't know why I did that. Golem. Oh. No, my pumpkin is gone. My pumpkin is gone! Ah, damn it. No. I missed him. What? I think I got shot. Oh wait, what? No, why? Why did I die? I didn't even get killed by anyone in chat. No. Stressful. Stressful. This is so stressful. Stop running around that Alex skinned guy. Okay, well, alright. This is better. This requires a bit of luck. Because you may stand in the middle Are you serious? I could have done a red and still won. Where's the button? It's literally so simple, mate. So simple. No, 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 no. Yes! You deserve that. Yeah, also, I deserve to die, but I just didn't. Okay, rabbit. All the rabbits. All the rabbits. Be the sabotager. The rabbits. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. And no rabbits. Rabbits over here. Got 10 rabbits. Yeah, I'm paying attention to the time as well. Okay. Alright, deliver. There we go. People are quitting. Some people just rage quit. Either rage quit or just quit. That rage, I don't know. Oh! No! All players lost. That's hilarious. Don't get potatoed. Come on. Come on, come. Nope. Got it. Nope. Nope. Someone get it! Oh my goodness. I'm literally slacking right now. I'm slacking. No. Yeah, I heard the thing sound. I think I ignited 3. Still one over here. Now, I was not surprised to see like something like it here. They're nice. Honestly, this is just RNG because you can't predict. But it also requires some skill. Parkour skills. Sneaking. Okay. Hello guys. How you doing? Okay, there we go. I still have a chance to win, you know. I can come back on the boss game. Oh. This guy just wants to win, you know. Yes! Harvest the crop. Carrots. This one. Let's punch all the carrots away. I might distract them. Just doing this for fun. TNT run. If I'm the only one who survives, then I win. But the more players there are, actually I should say the less players there are, the less likely I'll win. Because there's more room for everyone to move around. So I might need to sprint the whole way. Might need to sprint for the whole time. You ain't gonna get me. Seems good. I'm the only one up here, alright. I might need to go down when there's 30 seconds left. Might need to take out some of them in order to get the first place. But if I get the first place, I won't be sharing, so. Like, there won't be a tie first. Okay, seems about time to go down. No one on this floor. There is someone still alive. How many people are still alive? Oh yes. There we go. I came back and win. Oh yeah. Why am I not getting the arrows? So everyone's just stuck here. Okay. Well, we're back. So yeah, 2 rounds of Minerware. I think I'm gonna end this episode here. if you enjoy watching this video, feel free to give a like, subscribe with notifications, or comment to let me know. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!